Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if elements on the screen like interface are cut off in Stalker 2. If your game cuts off the elements so you cannot see something because it's out of range on your display, it may be due to overscan. You may have overscan on your TV or PC, and in order to fix it, you may go to options, then go to display, and then click on edit save zone. You can see that now I can see these corners on the screen, and use up and down, left and right arrows to adjust the save zone until it's all within the range of your display. And when it's within the range of your display, click on apply, escape, escape, then F to apply, escape to close this message, and escape to exit settings. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.